Netline is basically an integrated cell that includes a beam saw, an edge bender and a point-to-point machine connected to a central server where the design software is installed. Machine programs for the panel saw and CNC boring routing center are directly transferred from the server to the machines, while the bar-coded label printed by the panel saw links it to the programs existing in the edge bender and those previously transferred to the CNC boring routing center. WinCut is the resident software governing the SCM beam saw. Data received can be found in the appropriate WinCut files. The greatest advantage is that no programming phases in either the office or the machine site are required, so reducing human error. The operator working on the machine needs only to follow the instructions given by the WinCut software and check that the machine is working properly, nothing else. Once one of the cutting schemes has been selected, the operator loads one or more panels according to the instructions on the screen. The machine software also tells the operator to place the panel on the right side of the machine. So that the strips coming out can be placed immediately on the left side for the cross-cutting. This also optimizes the production process. As soon as the sized panel comes out of the machine, the operator sees on the screen a changing color in the cutting pattern. This means that that part has been produced. Simultaneously, a label highlighting the panel data is printed. The label contains different data such as the name of your company, the name of the customer, the date of production, the panel code, panel description, type of material used, dimensions and quantity obtained. A sketch showing the boring scheme and the routing scheme, all 4 edges identified. For each side of the panel, the type of edge to be applied is also stated. Finally, the barcodes for the edge bender and the CNC boring routing center are also printed. Parts will then proceed to the edge bender, where the programs are already predefined in the machine control. By means of a barcode reader, the operator joins the panel to the related program, which is automatically recalled. The 2 barcodes for the edge bender are important because the work scheme might sometimes require different operations on the different sides. In order to be suitable for a Netline system, the edge bender must be equipped with a graphic control. Data shown includes the program number, the type of edge to be applied, and the panel thickness. To avoid possible mistakes, the program to be executed on that panel is not chosen by the operator. At this stage, the operator just starts the machine, and when the green light flashes, the panel can be processed. In case the production process requires both ABS and melamine application, the change of edge type is quick and simple. Machines equipped with a control unit do not require any manual intervention on the groups inside the cabin when processing rolled edge with different thicknesses. The operator simply changes the edge to be applied and, when necessary, the feeding roller, and then restarts production. Machines with rounding unit can also apply edges on soft-formed or post-formed panels. SCM has developed an extremely versatile rounding unit. It is probably the only one of its kind able to act both as a trimmer and a rounder. Its operation is divided into 6 phases. Therefore, different types of rounding can be performed, making the machine more flexible. Once the panels have been etched, the third phase of the Netline process can start on the CNC boring routing machine. Xylot Plus is the software governing the machine. Once again, the operator standing by the machine only follows the instructions that appear on the PC screen next to it. Through the barcode reader, the appropriate program to be performed on a certain panel is directly selected from the label. On the screen, the panel to be processed changes color, and as soon as the vacuum is applied, it turns blue. In the meantime, the operator selects another panel by means of the barcode reader, and on the screen this panel is placed on the free area. Once the vacuum is applied, the color in the screen indicates the standby position. As soon as the first one has been completed, the machine moves on to the second one and executes that panel as well. This means that production is very efficient due to a continuous cycle.